Hello beautiful Gluebookers. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm using an old drawing tutorial book on how to sketch city scenes. Think black and white urban sketches of streets, cities, squares and landmark buildings. I decided to keep the original artwork as the base for this glue book. So I'm not adding a lot of large background images. What I am doing is adding cutout images of people from fashion magazines to the city sketches. Kind of giving the drawings new characters, adding new life to the city on the pages. I am Deborah. Welcome back to the collage table. That was a quick preview. Now let's get into it and do some work on this glue book. I showed this book before when I first found it in a previous thrift haul video, so you might have seen it already, but with nothing glued in it yet. Like usual, I went ahead, sorted out some images I might want to use before filming. It saves me time and helps me stay in the flow while I'm glue booking and making this video. So this is what the opening page will start out as. I would like to add some color, but I will have to find something for next session. So here what we got, we have a sketch of Rome on the left right there, and then I have this is a spot in my current hometown. It looks different now. I want to put her here and I'll find someone or something else to go there. I must say these buildings on the right are still here, looking exactly the same. This card flips open. Okay, let's take these. Okay, on the front I added this image to the card. This is our town square. And then this, don't know where this is. It looks like the bike parking with a train station in the background. I have these two to add. I like him in his suit, looking a little out of place there and waiting for her to come down the stairs. So this image comes from a promo booklet of a city planner agency of some sorts. I really take every free folder or booklet that I come across in my daily activities. You never know what images are inside that you can use in your glue books. So I'll take any magazine I can get my hands on. Okay, so let's put him here. And then, so let's glue this here on this side. I think I like that there. And then here on the top half I will glue her. I think I might have to start looking for some words or quotes to add to these spreads. I've mainly have been looking for small people or small images of regular sized people. Okay, so let's see. This one. I love these backgrounds. I did add these to the book. I thought urban New York from back in the day would work well with the rest of the book, but I need your help. I like her to go somewhere here, like standing on top of the car. I don't want her to cover the guys, but I would just wish her outfit was brighter so she would pop more, but maybe she can go on the left. No. So I'm not sure where to glue her, so I'm not gluing her yet, but maybe I should look for a whole different image to add to the page. Okay, here, Amsterdam, I have her. I think I want to put her on this side, but I don't know what else I'm going to put on this spread, so I think I will have to leave her for next session in this book too. Okay, this is going to be a fun one. I added the Guggenheim images as backgrounds here. I got the outside and the inside of the museum, and then I thought it would be fun to put this palm tree inside because why not? And then I found her. I think she would be perfect here on the left of the spread. Look, all these layers of her dress are so reminiscent of the Guggenheim building, so I like it. And then I have a few smaller cutout people. Let's see who and where. I think she looks lovely here. Visiting the museum. Well, maybe not. And then her. Oh, these are tiny. Maybe put her there. And then she can go here maybe, or higher up. That looks cool. Here maybe on this plateau. That could work. Okay, I think I like her up high better, but maybe she wants to go there. I'm not sure. Okay, it all looks a little bit busy, so maybe if I put her on this side, No, I think she has to go, I'm sorry. But here, her I'm sure about. But how are we placing her? Let's just try something. If I move her to the right and then her to this part, that's nice too, but I'm kind of already used to being her being on the left, and I do think, let's see, I like her standing all the way on top the best. So this is what it's gonna be there, and then let's remove her too. See that statue? Okay, but will she go somewhere else? No, let's keep the spread a bit calmer for now. So let's just glue her right there. Yes, like so. I like her, she's happy there. Okay, so I glued everything, but I have to cut off her shoes because they're sticking out from the page. I'm not a fan of those chunky platforms anyway, so there they go, much better. Okay, and we can move on to the next. Here's another tipping card from that same city planner booklet as before. And I have a couple of people cutouts to play with. Let's see what I'll do here. I got these flowers too, but maybe they can go here, I'm not sure. Her, the larger image, sitting down. I think she must go here if she goes on the spread. Let's remove the flowers. Sometimes you just have to try something. So she stays there, and then I have these 3 colorful male models and these 2 high fashion runway models. I think it's a fun juxtaposition to put them inside the middle of this Dutch flatlands. But who do I put where? Let's see. The inside of this card is interesting too. Look at all these balconies of this apartment building. Oops. Who will stand on these balconies or on the back with more Dutch farmlands? Okay, let's just decide who goes where. Let's put the 3 men on the front, like so, and then put her here. I like the shape of her outfit against the straight lines of the building. So she will go here. Yes, somewhere. And then this lady will go for a walk here. Yes, I like that. So let's glue them. Let's glue her here. I'm not sure what else I'll add to this, but I will look for something. Oh, let's add a little bit of extra glue here. Yes, that's good. And I really like these on the card here. So I'm happy with this. Can she maybe go somewhere here? Maybe no. Okay, I'll find something else to add later. So the next here, I have some images for these pages. This is somewhere in Germany. And then I have this polka dot begonia plant. And the sketch here is from Rome. Okay, this maybe. Let's flip this like this way. I think that's better. I'll just have to cut a bit off, but that's okay. I think I can remove this part. Let's see, it will look like this. Yes, that's better. And then I would put the plant here. Then I need, I think, her. She can go right there, walking from one city to the next. And I have her to go on the right, here or there. I think there. Do I want this? No. Okay, so this is it for now here. So let me glue these. Yes, the plant goes here. Such a lovely plant with all the polka dots. She reminds me of Britney Spears a little bit. How is she doing now? I hope she's in a good place. Okay, what's next? Okay, here we are in Paris. Oh, I miss Paris. What do I have here? I don't have a whole lot, but I have, oops, her. Lovely. Maybe she goes, maybe like this way. Here, and then I have this Eiffel Tower image. iconic. Maybe I'll put it here. Then her with her bike. Not there, maybe here. Not sure if I like her here. And then this little Eiffel Tower is not for this spread, no. Okay, so today I'm just gluing down this image here and the lady on the right. I'll put it like so, leaving the Paris title to show. And then we'll let her walk through the streets of Paris. It says Paris Place du Théâtre. That's a square near Sacré-Cœur. So do I want her here or on that side? Let's see. I think here. It would be nice to find a puppy for her maybe that she can walk with. I'm gonna look for one in my stash. Okay. So now we're in the city I was born in, Amsterdam, and I have this drawing of some more canal houses to go with the sketch on the right. I will have to trim it like this and then decide, do I put it on the bottom or the top of the page? I still have a bit to cut off. Let's see, do I want it here? Okay, let me first take this house off. Now it at least will fit the page. I still have to decide where I want it, but I can do that next time if I have people to place here. Okay, here we are in Alkmaar. It's a Dutch city known for the traditional cheese market. Tourists really like it. And this tower is near that market, so I have these two ladies. I want one of them on the bridge and the other one on the front. Just seeing who goes where. I think I like this. Let's see, does she go there or there? The change is subtle, but it kind of does matter to me at least. So I think there. And I really like her red outfit. I have to find more people with bright popping outfits for this book, so I can add a whole bunch more next time. So this is different than my normal glue books, and let me know if you like this. Not that I have a bunch of these city sketchbooks laying around anyways, but okay, so we're back in Paris and I have this wonderful Zurich city image to go over the text on the left. It's not Paris, but I like the way they go together. She can go there, and this lady is chilling in Paris. The book just says street in Paris, so I don't know where this is. Do I want more people on this photo? Yes, but not this one. Okay, let's glue her right here. She looks very happy there. Yes. And you can check out my playlist if you want to see more of my glue booking sessions. For now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Till next time, bye!